In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can enter the degree symbols. If you're on Microsoft Word, it's simple and easy. So this is 100 degrees Celsius and this is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So on here, all you need to do is, by default, you should be here. Tap on this here, insect here. So after tapping on the insect, move to the other side of the page to this side, which is symbol. Tap on the symbol here, tap on more here, and then this is slider. You get it? Now scroll to this side of the page. Use your eye to check that to this side of the page. And on here, you're going to find Fahrenheit, and then this is Fahrenheit and this is Celsius. So now let's first choose the Celsius. So I tap on that. And I tap on insect and the Celsius should reflect. And I tap on this Fahrenheit and I also tap on insect here for it to reflect. So I close it and you can see now I have the Fahrenheit and the Celsius here. Now I come here, let me do it once again. From insect, you move to your symbols here, tap on it like this, tap on this here, slide it to this side of your page. When you tap on it, just tap insect, and this is Celsius. When you tap on that, just tap insect. So when you tap on it, you're going to get the name of the sign here. So at least you're going to get to know the sign you've chosen. Now tap on the insect here, and now let me close it. And you can see this is my Fahrenheit and this is my Celsius. So that's it on how you can enter degree symbols on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.